Today the car's going to Vastec in Durham for an MOT, and it's also going to get this Cobra Catback fitted. So it'll be interesting when it's done to see what it sounds like. Before we go, let's do a little sound check to see what the original exhaust sounds like.
It doesn't sound too bad for a standard exhaust, but it's definitely seen better days and needs replacing.
Here we are, packed up and ready to head off to Vastec.
I dropped the car off at Vastec to get the exhaust fitted and then MOT. Unfortunately, there was a delay and the car couldn't be MOT'd, but the exhaust was still going to get fitted, but I just had to collect the car the next day.
So we're here at Vastec now to pick the car up. It was been a little bit delayed from yesterday, but let's go and see what it sounds like. So here's the exhaust. It's an oval tip like the original was. It's got the Cobra branding on, as you can see. It's quite a nice shape, fits the cutout really well. It does have some Cobra branding underneath as well. The back box, I don't know if you can see that under there. It's got Cobra written underneath. But it looks really good. I'll do some sound videos now of what it sounds like starting up and revving it.
That's it for this video. The exhaust definitely looks and sounds better than the old original, so a great improvement. I'll do another video with some point of view shots and also some from outside of the car. Thanks for watching.